Assalamu alaikum. My name is Basir Shamsi and I'm JS Bank's President and CEO. The year 2020 has been tumultuous for all of us, mentally, physically, and for many of us financially as well. Thankfully in Pakistan, we've been relatively less affected, and I pray this continues to be the case. I thank all our team members who have diligently worked and continue to provide 100% of our services to our customers from all our touch points and throughout this period. We've also partnered with the key customers to extend support of over 110 million rupees towards COVID relief. At a time when the economy was in a state of flux, we stepped up our game and became the top facilitator of the Government of Pakistan and SBP scheme for payroll financing, especially in the SME sector. This was of course in addition to TURF and other debt restructuring measures needed by our customers. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, our bank showed resilience and continued to grow in terms of deposits and business revenue. As we all know, with disruption also comes opportunity. This year we transformed ourselves to bring about required changes within our organizations, which were necessary to compete and win in an evolving world and meet changing customer expectations. We realized the changing trend of our customers' preferences, especially towards digital channels. Hence, during the year, we undertook an organizational redesign in order to better facilitate customers across segments. This will improve, inshallah, customer experience, simplify our customer journeys, and help us build tailored and more customer-centric products. We have also optimized our branch network to support our business growth. We have created synergy in product, marketing, and retail banking teams to gain both from a pull and a push strategy. We are striving to change the way we think by focusing on agile functionality within and, as importantly, outside the organization. We are focused towards continuous innovation and prepared to learn from gaps to provide value additions to the lives of our customers. We want to be a flatter organization, to be closer to the people we serve and look at them as humans rather than as numbers. We want to learn, unlearn, and relearn. In 2020, we were recognized for our work in the SME and retail sector of Pakistan. We were recognized internationally as the best bank for SME by Asia Money, as well as SME Bank of the Year at the Asian Banking Finance Awards. In 2020, we continued to grow our lending book and remained focused on improving our core profitability. This year, we were focused on building a diverse and inclusive culture within our bank. 3 excellent female professionals have joined our management committee, reflecting our drive towards greater gender diversity. We also set time-defined targets for having a more diversified workforce. We are committed to retaining our position as industry leaders in the SME, home finance, Kamyab Jawan, and residential solar segments, paving the way for Pakistan's progress and prosperity. At the core of our success are our colleagues, who proved to be true champions and outperformed themselves despite a global pandemic. I look forward to another successful year ahead. Kyunki badhna hai aage.